just to do few fire questions as well to you, right?
Yeah.
So in this fire round, you just have to just tell, okay, this one is or this one. Okay.
Okay.
So, and there should not be like any explanation around it. The
Okay.
moment you
Okay.
just take it, you take it.
First thought. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Yeah. So one thing is like FTX versus government versus Web3 developers or Web3 like OGs, like or the people who are building Web3. Who is going to be WGMI?
I mean, Web3 developers.
It's a natural question, but there is also I'll contradict on that as well. So there is a combination which we have to come up with. But Web3 developers, thank you so much for answering that. I just wanted to keep it very simple for you so that you can basically like then
I
let's
can
jump
explain
into.
why. Like composability is the killer feature of Web3. Like it is the killer feature. Anyways. Okay, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
now I'm
So
talking your book.
so coming to the second question, idea,
Okay.
product, and community, or idea, community, and product, which is
Idea,
suitable in Web3.
idea, product, community.
I love that.
Yeah. You have to build a thing for somebody to use, and it needs to do something for them. Otherwise, you can only meme yourself into early users and adopters for so long before they now meme into something else because you're not providing any value.
Coming to the next question, which is going to be interesting around the founders, basically, like who are in their pre-seed or seed stage, 100,000 users versus 10,000 users.
10,000 really enthusiastic users who love you and love your product. Small markets and then building around those small markets, I think, is almost always the right playbook. There's a few instances where that's not the case. They're more of like generalized technology solutions, which I think you want to go for mass scale first. Like a lot of the L1s in the early days, that's what they needed. But most startups, technology, crypto startups, 10,000 really enthusiastic users.
Got it. The final question, which is going to be around, is like VC money versus angel money during pre-seed or seed stage.
Oh, that's easy. Angel money. So here's the thing: money is a commodity. Crypto is built on top of money. So money is actually very easy, especially in crypto. You want the smartest money you can get access to, and I think usually angels are that because VCs. And no disrespect to VCs, I'm now a VC, but a lot of VCs have never built companies before. Again, no disrespect. No, I don't mean that disrespectfully. Like that is a thing that's very valuable when you start getting to like your series A, series B stage. But if you are an early stage founder at that pre-seed seed stage, I think, and again, I'm using a bit of a heuristic here, but I think angel money is actually the best type of money to put in your cap table because angels are usually founders turned investors. And so they can be really strategic, very value add in the early days of trying to navigate the product market fit. I think once you have some semblance of product market fit, then you want like a really good, strong strategic VC to go on your cap table. They can write much larger checks and they can do all kinds of things for you. But in the early stages, I think you want really as best as you can, hands-on money. That's smart money on your cap table.